Today, here at our 33rd annual Connect event, where, as you can see in the background, the teams are not only having fun, but they're making a difference by creating disaster recovery kits. Something that we planned over 5 months ago, but today, as we stand in Marco Island, recently devastated by Hurricane Ian, these disaster recovery kits will be distributed across Southwest Florida to help people that are seriously in need.
We are intent in giving back to the community. We have products that help families have efficient homes, keeps them safer, keeps them comfortable, saving energy, saving water. So we try and donate those products as much as we can to our community partners. When First Alert heard what we were doing, they were excited to contribute a couple of their products too, which are instrumental in keeping families safe. So smoke and CO detectors is what we have today. We have over 100 that we're donating as part of the disaster relief kits.
So I think this event today is an incredible gesture of being benevolent and philanthropic. We have a great partnership with Resideo because Bates Security is also very benevolent and very philanthropic. This is a great team building experience. I got to know some people that I didn't know before, so really enjoyed that part of it, and being part of the United Way and what they're doing here, it's a great honor to be a part of that. So glad I was able to do it.
We're really blessed as a company and as people ourselves, so we give back whenever we can. It's been a lot of fun. This was a great opening, great way to get to know everyone, and we did some pretty good things here.
This is Resideo, HVAC contractors and security dealers coming together to make a real difference in people's lives.